If Ferrari Ki Sawari was to be my last film and I was to die tomorrow, let me tell you, I'll die a proud man. I hope I don't die.
People don't understand cinema.
Pull up your socks when you come to me. मैं ऐसे आने वाला था next time.
अच्छा मेरे पास तो सॉक्स ही नहीं है. अगर हम बोलें 3 इडियट के बाद 4 इडियट, बताओ कितने की बिकेगी? राजकुमार हिरानी 4 इडियट. परफेक्ट होगा इडियट. मेरे से बड़ा इडियट कौन है बता? जो अच्छी चीजें मेरे में हैं वही इसने सीखी है ना. गाली वाली नहीं सीखी. बहुत अच्छा. विलन से फादर बने मगर फादर होते हुए विलन तो नहीं है. ये बड़ा जरूरी सवाल है.
Hi, this is Sharman Joshi.
Hi, this is Raju Hirani
And you're watching
Bollywood Hangama.
Bollywood Hangama.
Ingmar Bergman has said that the primary commandment of cinema is entertainment and entertainment without selling our soul. Well, Vidhu Vinod Chopra has said in one of the recent interviews about what he feels about entertainment and cinema. And we have with us the entire team of Ferrari Ki Sawari. Vidhu Vinod Chopra, producer, writer. Sharman Joshi, a very fine actor. This is his first solo film and he's, I'm sure, looking forward to it. His interviews are saying that. And one and only one, Raju Hirani, who's written the dialogues for the film as well. Pleasure having you on Bollywood Hangama, first of all.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think you guys definitely value the entertainment with the soul factor. I think very few people do, in fact.
You know, for us, movies and cinema is not just, if it doesn't touch your soul, then we have failed. And you quoted Bergman. Bergman actually has the first 3 commandments. His first commandment, surprisingly, was thou shall entertain. And his second was thou shall entertain without selling your soul. And of course, the third was that you make your film as if it's your last one, because it easily could be. If Ferrari Ki Sawari was to be our last film, or let's say my last film and I was to die tomorrow, let me tell you, I'll die a proud man.
No, I hope that you continue to
I
live
hope
on
I
for a
don't
long
die.
time.
I also hope I don't die. But if I do, I'll be happy. कि ये बना के मरे.
जो आप कर रहे हैं वो I think बहुत बड़ी बात है. I think आपने ये भी कहा है that you could have made any film like Munna Bhai 3, but you waited for it and you once you have a proper script, then only you come out with it. Rajkumar Hirani, the director of super hit film, blockbuster film, but at the same time films with a message, in fact. You are the dialogue writer of the film. Deepa Bhatia is the editor of the film. I was wondering that you could have even edited the film as well. You're a fantastic editor as well.
I just had 1 beer, so I was not committed. Editing.
ज़्यादा पिला दिया था तो वो ये भी बोलता यार एडिट भी तू ही करना तो फंस जाता था मैं.
In fact, PK के बारे में आजकल बातें हो रही हैं. Okay, tell us about. I think Rajesh is your assistant as well.
Yeah, see, Rajesh actually has worked on all the films I've made since Munna Bhai MBBS. So I've spent more time with him than with my wife. So there's a great bonding. There's this thing. So I obviously looked at कि जिस दिन film बनाएगा, whatever I can help him in whatever way I could help him, I would do that. He came up with this idea, so we kind of worked on the story. Then it went to Vinod. So Vinod and Rajesh worked on the screenplay. So then I told him that whenever you do this, I will do the dialogues for you. So I sat and did the dialogues.
वो इन्होंने बियर पी के बोला था. वो बोला था वो बियर का वो चक्कर है कि बियर पी के बोल दिया था डायलॉग लिखेंगे और राजेश मापुस्कर भूला नहीं so he had to write.
मैं वही कह रहा था 2 पी लेता तो शायद एडिटिंग के कमेंट भी कर देता तो वो नहीं की.
You've been saying in the recent interviews that after this film, it will be tough for the producers to approach you because you just have to have a proper script, and Vinod Chopra has spoiled you.
It's been 15 films, 13 years. It's been a pretty tough ride for anyone so far in the sense of the kind of films I want to do. I'm tough on myself, actually. It begins there. I want to do what I understand is exciting and I am happy being a part of, and that's the only criteria and without any other consideration. It's a simple belief and want, and I don't think, I'm being unreasonable about it. That's about it, yeah. Nothing of the other sort that you mentioned.
No, nothing of that, but still tell us what exactly is in the entire experience of Ferrari Ki Sawari that has made you so confident that people have to approach you only when they have a proper script for you.
I think the reference to context was probably not appropriate. What I mentioned is that scripts that are exciting and which bring me happiness when I go to work are the kind of scripts I want to be involved with. And when you change the reference to context, it might appear differently. No one understands cinema. I did not say things like people don't understand cinema.
Yeah, I mean, I thought that's not Sharman. That's not Sharman speaking like that.
I can't.
I've never seen him.
ये कहाँ पे था?
ये one of the
because he doesn't. I read it. I said, "Arey,
people don't understand cinema.
pull up your socks when you come to me," which is not.
ये शर्मन ऐसा बोलना मेरे को डाउट में आ रहा है।
मैं ऐसे आने वाला था next time. I have a script.
अच्छा मेरे पास तो सॉक्स ही नहीं है, मैं क्या बोल करूँगा?
That's not him, He can't speak like that.
Honestly, when I thought so.
What I must say here, in the context of what he said, see, after Three Idiots, he of course could have done many films. He was offered many films. But the fact that he didn't helped me take the decision of giving him Ferrari Ki Sawari. See, it works both ways. Now, if he had done, let's say, 10 movies after that film and done a similar kind of role, it would be very difficult for me. It's a very expensive film to take him, because then what would happen in the market? They would say, oh, पर वो तो लल्लू में भी है, वो पप्पू में भी है, अंकल में, हर 40 फिल्मों में है. For us also to go out and say, let's go with Sharman would be difficult. It's a smart way of looking at your life.
आप मुझे 2 दिन के लिए फरारी दिला दो, मैं उसके बदले में आपको 2 लाख रुपए कैश दूंगी, गिफ्ट है, ले लो.
Two films after Three Idiots, तो बात पक्की and अल्लाह के बंदे, they didn't really work at the box office at all, in fact.
Right.
And in fact अब चर्चा भी नहीं हुआ. अल्लाह के बंदे में तो डायरेक्टर जो हैं वो ज़्यादा हावी थे.
बिल्कुल.
Somewhere in that context, it will be said that Three Idiots आपकी अभी भी जो एक यादगार फिल्मों में है, उसी के बारे में चर्चे हैं पिछले 2 साल में. बाकी फिल्मों के बारे में इतने चर्चे नहीं हुए. From the regular, जो whatever is said in the market, in the industry and this and that, कि यार शर्मन जोशी के साथ में फिल्म आ रही है, it is a risky proposition. But when we hear reports that 65 crores में जो हैं वो सब rights और ये सब, then we are startled कि यार ये क्या है पिक्चर में, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा.
See, let me take you back to Munna Bhai MBBS. When we made Munna Bhai MBBS with Sanjay Dutt, everybody thought it's rubbish, no? पहले तो टाइटल ही किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगा. ये तो, you know, this is shocking. You also don't. मार्केट में बोल रहे लोग, ये क्या आपने कर दिया मुन्ना भाई MBBS? राजू तुझे याद है? तो बिल्कुल मतलब संजय दत्त और मुन्ना भाई MBBS कोई नहीं देखना चाह रहा. तो आज क्या हुआ मुन्ना भाई MBBS और संजय दत्त, आपको पता है. बिल्कुल. तो सवाल ये उठता है कि टू वैल्यू एन एक्टर, I don't think any actor can be valued irrespective of the movie that he's in. अभी एक फिल्म रिलीज हुई है, अब किसी का भी ले लो, वो बड़े स्टार्स की फिल्म हुई है रिलीज. अब नाम आपको क्या, 10 नाम आपको खुद ही मिल जाएंगे. एक दिन नहीं चली वो पिक्चर. उसी स्टार की पिछले कुछ साल पहले या 6 महीने पहले या 3 महीने पहले पिक्चर. तो इस पिक्चर को लोग क्यों नहीं,
डिपार्टमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
नहीं, डिपार्टमेंट भी नहीं, वो तेज करके एक पिक्चर थी यार उसके पहले. वो मैं जानता हूँ, अनिल मेरा दोस्त है. तो क्यों नहीं लोग देखने गए? उसमें भी तो अजय देवगन था. वो तो दबंग है अजय देवगन, नहीं कुछ भी है, जो बड़ा पिक्चर उसका रिलीज है, सिंघम है. तो क्यों नहीं गया देखने लोग? तेज में क्यों? वही तो अजय देवगन था ना भाई. तब आप लोग ये नहीं बोलते हैं कि यार ये वो अजय देवगन, वही कोई अलग शक्ल थोड़ी है, सेम शक्ल का आदमी है. तो जो फिल्म है उससे आप एक्टर को या स्टार को अलग नहीं कर सकते.
But you know, the entire system, the way it functions in Bollywood, I think, which is very strange in fact, that लोग जो हैं कहानी और स्क्रिप्ट को जो हैं redundant मानते हैं and स्टार होना चाहिए. और in fact, I think I was watching an interview of Ramgopal Verma somewhere कि that आजकल थाली चाहते हैं कि आप कुछ गाने डाल दो और कुछ कॉमेडी के सीन्स डाल दो और कुछ फाइट सीन्स डाल दो, थाली बन गई, आप परोस दीजिए.
I'll tell you what people think outside. We have nothing to say. Okay, we have nothing to say. One of my own assistants is now making statements which I don't agree, who's worked with me long time. I'm saying I don't want to talk about anyone. I am telling you what we believe in Vinod Chopra films. What we believe in is a story. What we believe in is a script. What we believe in कि हमारे पास कुछ कहने को हो. हमने फरारी की सवारी 4 साल लिखी. राजकुमार हिरानी पी के पिछले 4 साल से 3.5-4 साल से लिख रहे हैं. इनको क्या जरूरत है 3 इडियट के बाद इतनी मेहनत करने की? 4 इडियट बना देना कल को. 250 करोड़ 300 करोड़ में 4 इडियट भेज देंगे हम. एक इसको ले लें, चौथा मैं बन जाऊंगा, 3 तो हमारे पास आएंगे. अगर हम बोलें 3 इडियट के बाद 4 इडियट, बताओ कितने की बिकेगी? राजकुमार हिरानी 4 इडियट.
But you'll be a perfect casting as well.
परफेक्ट होगा इडियट. मेरे से बड़ा इडियट कौन है बताओ? हम नहीं करते ऐसा काम. और जो हम किसी पे जजमेंट नहीं करते. हम कहते हैं हमको किस चीज़ में मज़ा आता है. हमको अच्छी कहानी, प्यार से फिल्म बनाने में मज़ा आता है. हम वही करेंगे जिसमें हमको खुशी है. किसी को किसी और चीज़ में खुशी है, उसको अपनी खुशी में खुश रहने दो.
There's a particular dialogue in the that we're seeing in the promos, in fact, that traffic constable रोकता है शर्मन को, तो वो कहते हैं कि भाई bribe देने की कोशिश करते हैं और वो कहते हैं कि that किसी ने देखा नहीं, तुम क्यों खामखा में क्यों दे रहे हो? And वो कहते हैं कि जो देखेगा वही सीखेगा, मेरे बेटे ने देखा. You know, it has a very touching moment to it. I think that is a very typical of the kind of cinema that you guys make. That एक social message कहीं ना कहीं आप लोग communicate करते हैं हल्के से. In fact, tell us something about such situations in the film and such moments in the film. It's basically a story of how a father is trying to just please his son in one way or the other.
You know, this had happened with Shantanu Moitra.
ये real life.
Real story है. ये when we edited Lagero Munna Bhai, so he came to see the first cut in the editing room. So he was there alone. He sat and saw the cut, and I could see he was very moved by the this thing, because finally you're talking about truth, honesty in that film. And he left. Then the next day he told me he was driving. He was still thinking that he went from Varli Naka, he was going somewhere, and he suddenly saw that he had crossed a red signal. So he went and stopped there. He looked around. There was nobody. Then he went actually looking for a cop, which he couldn't find. Of course, he couldn't find. It was late at night. He couldn't find. But he actually went looking for a cop to say कि यार मेरे से पैसे ले लो, मैंने गलती की है, मैंने cross किया. So that he had narrated. So that stayed back somewhere in the mind, and that finally became a scene in this film.
सर मैंने वो चर्चगेट पे सिग्नल तोड़ा तो फाइन भरनी है सर.
किसी ने देखा नहीं ना तेरे को?
देखा ना सर.
किसने देखा?
मेरे बेटे ने देखा ना. जो देखेगा वही सीखेगा ना.
Tell us more about such situation, because I think that particular scene, I'm sure that a lot of people
Actually,
will relate to it.
that is the film. If you ask me, what is the film saying? फिल्म यही कह रही है कि जो देखेगा वही सीखेगा. जो शर्मन है, जो इसका बेटा है कायो फिल्म में, वो वही सीख रहा है जो इसने किया. मैं आपको एक बड़ी सिंपल सी बात बताता हूँ. अब आज राजू और मैं और ये बैठे हैं. राजू और मैं, हमको 10 साल 12 साल हो गए काम करते हुए. जो मैं करता हूँ काम, जो अपार्ट फ्रॉम माई पागलपन, जो अच्छी चीज़ें मेरे में हैं वही इसने सीखी हैं ना. अगर मैं वो नहीं करता तो कुछ और सीखता था. गाली वाली नहीं सीखी, बहुत अच्छा.
तो ये सेंटेंस करेक्ट नहीं है फिर, जब सब नहीं सीखा मैंने.
अग्नि भी यही बोल रहा था कि नहीं मैं नहीं सीखना चाहता. पर बॉटम लाइन ये है कि हम जो देखते हैं अपने घर में, पर्टिकुलरली अपने फादर वगैरह से, वही हम सीखते हैं. तो ये कहानी जो आप वो एक डायलॉग बोल रहे हैं, ये पूरी कहानी है, तो ये उसका सार है. तो हम ये कह रहे हैं कि भैया जो आप लेक्चर बच्चों को करेंगे वो कोई बच्चा सुनने वाला नहीं है, या आप लेके चलिए. क्योंकि बच्चा आपको देगा. आप सोचें आप सिगरेट पी रहे हैं डे नाइट, और बच्चे को बोले सिगरेट मत पीना, बहुत बुरी बात है, अच्छा लाओ यार मेरा सिगरेट दो, तो बच्चा क्या करेगा आप सोचो. क्या वो सिगरेट नहीं पिएगा या वो पिएगा? अपने आप से आप ये सवाल पूछिए तो आपको जवाब मिल जाएगा. इट्स अ वेरी एंटरटेनिंग हैप्पी फिल्म, बट दिस इज वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स वी आर सेइंग इन दिस.